distanced herself from financial documents at the heart of a civil trial in New York. Ivanka Trump took the witness stand on Wednesday, facing questions about her work at the Trump Organization. The former president of the United States is accused of inflating his wealth to secure better loans from banks. He denies any wrongdoing, calling the trial a scam. Sally Patterson gets us more.
Ivanka Trump is the fourth member of her family to take the stand here in New York City. Her brothers, Eric Trump and Donald Trump Jr., faced questions of their own last week, where they basically said they left financial statements to their accountants. Ivanka repeated a similar narrative, saying she wasn't aware of having any role in preparing them. "I'm not an accountant," she told the court. Donald Trump's eldest daughter worked at the Trump Organization until 2017. Court filings claim that during her time there, Ivanka was involved in negotiating and securing financing for several properties. That includes a hotel in Washington, D.C. and golf resort near Miami. But many questions remain over emails and documents which date back more than a decade. Ivanka said she couldn't recall details within them. She was originally listed as a co-defendant in this case, but her lawyers successfully argued her involvement with the Trump Organization had passed the statute of limitations. But she was still brought in as a witness, despite trying to get out of doing so, and flew in to New York. Because she's not a defendant, though, no cameras were allowed inside the courtroom to take her picture before proceedings began. Despite attempts to distance herself from the case, prosecutors allege Ivanka was very much involved in the family company. Speaking outside the court, Attorney General Letitia James said the former president's daughter was inextricably tied to the company. Prosecutors claim the Trump Organization knowingly misled lenders, inflating Donald Trump's wealth to secure favorable loans. He's called the trial politically motivated and an attempt by his political opponents to keep him out of the White House. He could be forced to fork out millions of dollars in damages and be banned from doing business in his home state. Sally Patterson in New York, reporting for DD India.